Puja fever. We are back for Pandal hopping. Yeah, that's how it is pronounced, by the way. Pandal.
Today we are at CR Park and Pandal hopping for us translates to just one thing, and that's eating lots of tasty food. So Arun, you know I'm hungry already. So
Yes,
what are
I'm
we
all
waiting
ready.
for?
I'm all geared up, and the closest that I've been to being a bong is learning Amit Tumaki Balu Bhashi.
But have you ever gotten to say it to somebody in real life?
Let's not get into that, but I think I'm gonna upscale from there and learn something more, maybe about bongs and Bengali culture.
Yaar Arun, you know the chatori in me is really craving something nice and chatpata.
I knew it. इंतजाम कर रखा है मैडम आपके लिए झालमुरी.
Oh, चलना खाते हैं फिर.
Sorry.
It's nice and crispy.
I like it. I like it for not having too much of syrup, right? It's
Exactly.
the right amount of
the
dry.
crispiness.
Sabrina, the Punjabi in me is craving fried food.
I mean, I do agree that everything tastes better fried, and we have so many options here. There's aloo chop, there's mochar chop, there's full kopi chop.
Okay, let's show you what all we've got. I've got beguni, there's aloo chop, there's machar chop.
And there's gugni that's right here. And by the way, we were wrong
Now you, Sabrina.
Sorry. I was wrong in assuming that mochar is actually fish, but it's actually it's a vegetarian dish. It is banana florets, right?
Yeah. It's two non-Bengalis doing this video, so you have to cut some slack. Well, the Pujo experience is incomplete without coming to this famous CR Park market.
And I was very, very curious to have the Mughlai paratha because I've heard so much about it, Arun, and I was like, this is the best place for it.
And I've come here for rolls, so let's roll it, baby. Thank you. Cheers.
Wow.
Rate it out of 10.
11. Garam.
Okay, I am a bit bummed about my aloo roll because this seems like aloo ki sabzi and just filled into this roll. And aloo also, if you can see, these are diced aloos. It's not even mashed or like nicely put into it. These are diced potatoes, so I would give like a 4.
I really wish you were non-vegetarian at this point, Arun.
My eyes are here.
As they should be.
Wow. This is true romance. This is what I want. This is what I came for.
And this is exactly why I am never coming again with you, Arun.
This is Pujo season.
So there needs to be a certain decorum. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not wearing a jamdani sari just for nothing.
I'm really sorry. मेरा tuxedo ले आइए. Bengalis love chop so much that they fry it, but they also make desserts out of it. This is malai chop.
This baked rasgulla looks so juicy.
Wow.
So that was our amazing Durga Puja experience here in CR Park. There was so much food, there was so much action, and you should definitely go and experience this with your friends and family and your loved ones.
Keep speaking, Sabrina, because I am indulging in this. Well, with this, we've come to the end of this video, but it was actually pure indulgence. But that's what you do under the Pujo fever. With second host Prerna Karta and camera person Sudesh Kumar, this is Arun Singh, Sabrina Mathews signing off from CR Park for NDTV.